Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this the all new Pixel 4a Indian version. So let me look beside the back side of the box. Yeah, here they are given the manufacturing details and it is made in Vietnam, and in its Indian price is 31,999 and it's a November 2020 unit. Let me look at the side and we flip out to the other side and let's look at what's inside the box in few seconds. Yeah, inside of the box there are few instruction guides and SIM ejector tool, the phone, and a USB-C to C cable and a 18-volt charger with USB-C and my USB-C to normal USB to transfer data from your old device. And yeah, that's it. That's all inside the box, and it's pretty simple inside the box. And there is a quick start guide and there is few paperworks. That's it. Yeah, let me boot up and set up the mobile. Yeah, as you can see, the display of the Pixel 4a is actually pretty good. Even though it's compared to its Chinese or other companies at this price, they give much more features like a higher refresh display and some other gimmicks like an Super AMOLED display as compared to Samsung. It has a OLED display and it has a single camera layout at the back as well as the front, and overall we can say it's a good display. Now let us look at the specifications. Yeah, it's got a 5.8 inch FHD OLED display and a 3140 mAh battery, a Snapdragon 730G processor, 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Yeah, based on my usage, I am getting around 5 to 6 hours of battery life, and other specifications are 12.2 MP rear camera, 8 MP front camera, USB-C, Gorilla Glass 3, stereo speakers in the front and as well as the bottom, Android 11 running, and 3.5mm audio jack. So Google maintains the audio jack in this version. So as you can see, there are for more detailed specification I have taken some screenshots from the website, and also you can check the detailed specification in the description below. Yeah, overall I can say that Pixel 4a is a good successor to the Pixel 3a, and if you are a type of guy who need a stock Android experience and with zero bloatware and no ads and other stuffs on your mobile, so you can buy the Pixel 4a. Thank you. So wait for the review of my video and I'll catch you up guys in a few weeks. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace.